¿De la right
Sí.
Gracias. The motherland, up top. No, I'm good. I'm good. Oh, no. I'm gonna walk around first. Un momento.
Just take a look. Go just to see. We have a little bit.
We're gonna come back.
We know we are the best girl inside.
Yeah, no, I know about this. I'll be over here. I'll be over here.
Hey, when you're ready, let me know, okay? Hey, good. This is the flow, man. Real. When you're ready, let me know.
See, all you gotta do is just go up, keep it together.
Find our spot. We do a rotation and come back.
All my haters be like, damn, he ain't got 100, but you keep it 90%.
Mañana. Get the shit made. Focus on the maintain. To spend it on the same thing. Get up all out. The miso. Here you go. Let my dogs out. This nigga D pulling up. Wait for him. Huh? Nigga making a play right now. Vex went to go make a play.